What's up, YouTube? This is Jacob from Millennium Finance. Today I want to do a short video on Uber, where it's going, why it's so strong right now, and the future potential for its growth. So if you look at this at the chart, the IPO was not really strong. Somewhere around the 40s, dipped, went up, but really it was a sad story for the stock. Till about November, it bottomed out. Uh, November 15th, hit the bottom, about 25 bucks, 26. But since then, it's been really, really strong. I think the stock is turning around. I got in at 35 on January 15th. I did have to move up, but it's better to buy a strong stock than a stock that's dying and then just hoping for it to turn around. So I bought into the strength at 35. Now it's up at 40 in less than a month. That's a good trade. Um, the next resistance level is probably gonna be 42, 42.50. That'll probably be a good round number where it's gonna have to breach, and that's gonna be major resistance for it to get to retest its previous all-time high of 47. Oh, that was like more than a month after its IPO in July. But this stock is really, really, really turning around. It was so beat down going into November, December, but now it's looking very, very strong. To me, it could easily go back to 47 in a month or two. Maybe even, if it stays on this level of strength, if it doesn't give up, and as long as the market is still behind it, as long as the S&P is moving behind it, easily it can test 47 within a month. So that's 15% right there. So today, today's Saturday, but yesterday, Friday, it closed around $40, 40.60. So from 40 to pretty much, let's say $40 to 47. That's a good percentage increase that you can get within a month. I think to me, Uber will be in 2 years. It wouldn't surprise me if it was at $60 or $70. So right now in the short term, going from 40 to 47, retesting that all-time high. I think it'll probably just make a cup and handle. It'll go up to the 47, come down maybe to 46, and then it'll wait for their next earnings or something, or good news, something to push it over that 47. And then after that, who knows how high it could go. Um, but right now, I'm gonna wait maybe till Monday or Tuesday, the February 10th or 11th, maybe the 12th. There'll probably be a bit of a pullback because it did go up so much on the Friday. Went up almost 9%. I think it closed that. So there'll probably be a bit of a pullback early next week, and it'll be a good that'll be a good buying opportunity. And then ride it up, maybe even get like 20%, a 20% ride all the way up to 47. 47. Thing I want to touch on, guys, is uh, the Lyft earnings is coming on the 11th on I think Tuesday. So that's obviously Uber's biggest competition. So if Uber isn't growing as fast as or if Lyft isn't growing as fast as Uber, it might be a sign that uh, a lot of the drivers for Uber and Lyft, their taxi service, a lot of the drivers are going over to Uber because Lyft cut their driver rates a couple months ago. So apparently, Lyft is losing a lot of drivers. So the less drivers they have, the less earning potential they have for their gross revenue, right? So that'll be another big step for Uber stock is on Tuesday, February 11th, how Lyft reports. And then they're going to see who's going to who's winning the battle for ride sharing wars. Obviously, Uber is way bigger than Lyft right now, but Lyft is still a big competitor for them. And the Lyft stock is not doing too well compared to Uber. Uber stock is definitely looking stronger right now. Yeah, Lyft has a bit of a turnaround too. Oof, that's a huge dip though. The high all time high is almost $90. Right now it's at 50. Oof. Yeah, I mean, we're still gonna have to see, but either way, Uber has a lot of growth potential. They have Uber Eats. Lyft doesn't have that. Uber, they starting to do ride sharing. Well, not ride sharing, but for freight transport, which is really like if they start getting to automation. Oh, stupid. Hey guys, my last point on the strength of Uber is uh, they're expected to have positive cash flow a year earlier than they previously thought. Before thought it was going to take till 2021. Now they're saying by the end of 2020 they're gonna have a positive cash flow, which is obviously very positive for the stock. Because they won't have to keep getting debt and pay obviously the corporate bond fees and everything like that. So yeah, I think 2020 is going to be a very strong year for Uber. It already is. I know a lot of analysts have their price targets at like 40, 45, 50. I think it easily could hit the 50 mark by the end of the year. So I'm definitely going to increase my position on Monday. Hopefully there'll be a bit of a pullback because the stock went up like 9% on Friday. So hopefully February 10th, Monday, there'll be a pullback. So it'll be a good entrance point um, to increase my position in Uber. Thanks, guys.